when the class is not good, to me, most of the fault, not all, most of the fault lies with the teacher. The teacher do not know how to adjust his or her teaching to the student. The student must adjust their learning to the teacher rather than the teacher adjusting to the student. Imagine that a patient must adjust to the doctor, not the doctor adjust to the patient. That's terrible, isn't it? That means that, like that means the doctor tak payah tanya soalan, dia tengok dia bagi. Dia tak perlu tanya. Bila dia tanya soalan tu, dia nak adjust dia punya ubat yang nak bagi tu mengikut keperluan you. Understand or not? That's what they are doing actually when they ask you all these questions. Now, so back to this Zainal here. He's not happy. Something must be wrong. Isn't it so? Maybe the example he gave, he didn't arrange it from simple to difficult. He start with that question. Maybe he should start with if y is equal to 3x. Maybe he should start like that. Understand? Okay. And then okay, dy dx is equal to 3. Maybe he should start instead of starting with this. That may be the problem because he didn't arrange the question starting from simple to difficult. Or the problem is the student don't understand what is that dy dx. Why dy dx? Why not zy zx? Why it must be dy dx? 3 is what? X go where? Disappear just like that. X go where? Hilang pergi ke mana X? How does it disappear? Where does it go? Did you ask that question or not? Yes, sir. Why the X disappear? Why X disappear? Yeah. Why doesn't X disappear? Why? Okay, so X disappear. Why X disappear? X to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Why is it X power to 0 is equal to 1?
1 minus 1.
Why X to the power of 0 is 1? Tell me. Can somebody show me X to the power of 0 is 1? Is 1? Why is it all numbers to the power of 0 is 1? Why? All numbers to the power of 0 is 1. Why? Any answer? Why all numbers to the power of 0 is 1? Never ask that question. Tak pernah tertanya soalan macam tu. Tak tertanya. You're not curious, isn't it? So you're not curious. It's a problem. You're not curious. Why X to the power of 0 is 1? So minus 1 equal to 1, isn't it? True. So x equal to 1. True. X here, x1, correct. True. And then you change this to this form, right? This you get 0, so equal to 1. True. Not true. Not true. Look at this Cikgu Zainal. He's curious. He said that why is it that, you see, when he make the decision here, the first paragraph, his decision, he thinks that students are having problem because not enough example. Understand or not? I must give them more example, then they will understand. But he found out that even though when he use more examples also, students still don't understand. The first paragraph, he make his decision based on an assumption, based on belief. Understand? Based on belief. It's like people in the olden days believe when they see thunder, they say God is angry. Seolah-olah macam tu lah. Understand or not? Huh? Many people make decision, okay? Or when you walk at night, lonely night, understand or not? Okay? You stand on the leaf, and you say, oh, somebody following me. Based on a belief. You have no evidence. Understand? You believe. So, he make a decision. Okay, he said that I am going to siasat this problem. Understand? You know, siasat. Investigate. Research is like menyiasat. Understand? Menyiasat, bila kita siasat, like police lah. When we siasat, we look for evidence. We look for evidence. Now, before we siasat something, first of all, we must be curious, understand or not? We want to know. You also, when you were looking for houses last time to rent, you do siasat also, understand or not? Oh, where is the house? Cheap house, good house, location house, good. You ask these people, you ask that people, you also investigate. Now, so he starts with a question. He said, why, mengapa murid-murid tidak dapat menyelesaikan masalah yang membabitkan pembezaan? Why is it that they cannot solve differentiation problem? Understand or not? Now, to answer this question,